So it's officially cuffing season, the time when we're inside and ready to be loved up, loved on. Urban Dictionary defines cuffing season as the colder months, usually fall or winter, when new relationships blossom. As we enter the cold season, we're looking to cuddle up with our boo, and I think it's within our best interest to look and smell and taste as delicious as possible. So here's a wonderful shower routine that I think you might enjoy. It's pleasant, sweet, and not overpowering. Perfect for fall and perfect for cuffing season. Hey everyone, welcome back for a cuffing season shower routine. This one is filled with delicious florals, vanillas, warmth, yumminess. This one is a bit stronger than the last cuffing season routine, which I will link up above, but oh my goodness, if you are looking to leave an impression on that certain someone, this is the routine to do it. What's even better is that all these products are super affordable and can be found at your local Walmart. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be starting off by using the Dial Gold Bar. This is an antibacterial deodorant soap that is great at removing funky odors, and I'm using it with my exfoliating gloves. And a little trick is to push the soap into your glove and just use it like that. This works actually perfectly if you have those slivers of soap that you're trying to use up. Push them into the glove and go to work and use up all of your products, especially those little slivers of bar soap. This soap does a perfect job at just making sure all those extra funky areas are just neutralized. I love to hit the armpits, between the toes, and all those intimate areas that need a little more attention. This is also great after the gym, or if you've been outside and you get extra dirt on yourself. The Gold Bar by Dial is just going to destroy dirt and odor. Living Ash put me on, and she was put on by a TikToker, and it was a wrap ever since. I just love to use it before any intimate moments and making sure that everything smells tip-top clean. This is called a base cleanse, which, you cleanse off all the dirt before you go in with a more moisturizing or fragranced body wash. It's also perfect for in between the cheeks, because that's a hard area to neutralize odor. After I'm done with the Dial Gold Bar, I'm going in with the Bodycology Pink Vanilla Wish. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is super cheap, but it smells so high end. This is one of the best scents I've ever used as far as body care goes, and especially for the price. It's madness. If you are a fragrance connoisseur, I highly recommend adding Pink Vanilla Wish by Bodycology to your collection. It smells too good. It is floral peony, it is warm vanilla, and I believe some almond blossom in there. So that's such a delicious combination. The lather on this is so good, and I'm using it with my Eco Tools body brush. I like to use it wet or dry, but lately, to give my body washes that extra lather, I've definitely loved using it wet and just scrubbing and loving on my body. The biggest part of self-care and enjoying it is to just be present, engaging those five senses and enjoying the moment. It is such a gift to have, whether it's luxurious products, affordable products. It's a luxury to take care of yourself. Now I'm going to exfoliate using Tree Hut's Desert Haze, and oh my goodness, this is the ultimate pairing for Pink Vanilla Wish. I can't believe I'm just finding this, but this has to be a staple in my collection now because it goes with so many fragrances. And if you're looking to get the best fragrance benefit from this routine, using the products in this order would be ideal, because it really leaves a strong scent trail when I use it in this order. I like to hit the armpits because I am preparing to shave, and ever since I have been exfoliating more, I have banished my dark elbows. They used to be black. My elbows used to be black, and look at them now. This is what happens when you exfoliate regularly. I also hit the legs, the thighs. My knees have lightened up so much. My ankle joint has lightened up so much. I've prevented strawberry legs, and my legs are just smoother. It's great for preparing for shaving. The silkiness, my products perform better when I'm exfoliated. It's just a crucial step that so many of us just overlook, but it brings so many benefits. So I would highly suggest for your cuffing routine, for your cuffing season, please exfoliate. It is so clutch. And the Desert Haze scent, highly, like 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 perfectly complements Pink Vanilla Wish. Let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being very cold and 10 being the fiery pits of hell, what temperature is your water on in the shower? Mine is a strong 9. I'm not even gonna lie to you, a strong 9. 10 is like, whew, that's like bucket to the last notch. I'm a 9. If this is a cuffing season routine, Vagisil needs to show up because it's pH balanced and it's gonna neutralize the intimate area. I love pH balanced washes. That's why I mess with Vagisil. I do not use bar soap personally for me because I do like to let the pH balanced wash sit on my nether regions while I shave, and this is why I personally don't use bar soaps. It's too basic for that area, and when the vagina is out of whack, that's when we start to encounter problems, yeast infections, BV, and just throwing off the pH of the vagina. So if you find yourself having a few issues when it comes to vaginal issues, it may be your soap. So I would highly recommend, you don't have to use Vagisil. I know that it's problematic amongst some. For me, my vagina has no problem with Vagisil because it truly is just a gentle pH balanced wash, but I highly recommend using pH balanced products for the intimate area. Most items for the human body should be pH balanced. So while that Vagisil is sitting, I am going to be shaving with my favorite Billy razor along with the Tree Hut Tahitian Vanilla Bean Shave Oil. This combo just gives me the closest, cleanest shave. And I remember when I was like 16, 17, getting my subscription to 17 magazine. Yes, do you remember 17 magazine? I read a long time ago that armpit hairs grow in all directions, and that it is best to shave north, east, south, and west to ensure that all the hairs are cut from every angle. So ever since I learned that, I have never stopped doing that. I shave my armpit hairs north, south, east, and west. So after I shave, I rinse off everything, the Vagisil and the shave oil, and I go in and I make sure I stay ready so I don't have to get ready by constantly doing mini pedicures in the shower. If I'm exfoliating my body, I just usually go ahead and just do a foot file, and this just takes off all the calluses, any dead skin cells on my feet, and I'm always pedicure ready. My feet aren't cracked throughout the season. I don't have to sit down and do a long foot pedicure session. You never know where your feet might end up, so make sure that they are always kissable, touchable, suckable. Okay, thank you. This is the Taraji P. Henson Anything Glows Body Oil. This is made with squalane, and it is in the most beautiful vanilla and tuberose scent. I've never seen a more perfect pairing than this body oil and the Pink Vanilla Wish scent. It is so luxurious. It is lightweight, but it leaves my skin so glowy. And what's beautiful about putting body oil on damp skin is it locks in hydration. It makes whatever you put on top of it stay longer, so it enhances your lotions. If you have a weak body lotion, it makes it more softening, more spreadable, and it makes your fragrances last forever through whatever the night brings, okay? Whatever the night brings, we're lasting through it. We're gonna smell great. Slapping on Pink Vanilla Wish body cream. This scent is just too good. Not only is this affordable, but the formula is wonderful. It's infused with shea, and this combination of the body oil and that shea lotion just leaves the most beautiful skin. You are going to be so touchably soft and so fragranced, so beautifully fragranced throughout the night. Your person is not going to know what to do with themselves, where to go first, what to touch first. Like, it's going to be sensory overload, and it's a yes for that. This Dove dry spray in the pink rosa scent is literally the antiperspirant version of Pink Vanilla Wish. If you want a sweet, sweet floral with warmth in it, you need to try this deodorant. It is the perfect scent. Look at my skin though, it is glowing. I'm gonna go in with a Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar, but then I remembered, what? Isn't this an affordable routine? Hold up, I got something for you. Let me just check my collection, and oops, I found the perfect dupe for Flower Bomb Nectar by Viktor & Rolf. This I got at Five Below, y'all. Yes, Five Below. It is a dupe for the Paris Hilton Sparkle or Dazzle, but it is $5 for Viktor & Rolf. And this is what truly makes it an affordable routine. Just drown yourself in it, yes. To tie everything together, I'm going to go in with Bodycology's Pink Vanilla Wish. This fragrance mist beats any Bath & Body mist I've ever used. It is so elevated. It smells so good. The peonies, the warm vanilla, the almond. It's just delicious. I'm going to slap on some Aquaphor on my lips, one of the best skin protectants, and slap on some on my cheeks for that glazed donut look. And we are finished. We are feeling good. We're sexy. We're ready for whatever the night brings us, even if it's just chilling on the couch with a bowl of popcorn and our remote. Whatever the night brings, at least you smell good, you look good, you feel good. There's a ton of self-love going on here. I wish you a super safe and happy cuffing season. If you want to see more of these, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.